Hey everyone, welcome to my Pure Health. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos on health, fitness, and wellness. Today, we're talking about a powerful drink that can help boost your erection using just 3 simple products. Let's get into it. Erectile health is a crucial aspect of men's overall well-being. There are many factors that can influence erectile function, including diet, lifestyle, and mental health. Today, I'm going to share a natural drink recipe that can help improve your erection by enhancing blood flow and providing essential nutrients. The 3 key ingredients in this drink are beets, watermelon, and ginger. Each of these ingredients has specific properties that can help improve blood circulation and support erectile health. Beets. First, we have beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body, including to the penis. Better blood flow can result in stronger and longer-lasting erections. Watermelon. Next, we have watermelon. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which also helps increase nitric oxide levels in the body. Citrulline can help improve blood flow and has been shown to have a positive effect on erectile function. Watermelon. Ginger. Lastly, we have ginger. Ginger has numerous health benefits, including improving blood circulation and reducing inflammation. It can also enhance libido and sexual performance by increasing blood flow to the sexual organs. Ginger. Drink recipe preparation. Now, let's put these ingredients together to make our powerful erection-boosting drink. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized beets, peeled and chopped. 2 cups of watermelon, chopped. 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and chopped. Instructions: start by adding the chopped beets to your blender. Next, add the chopped watermelon. Finally, add the ginger. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a little water to achieve your desired consistency. Pour the drink into a glass and enjoy. Benefits and usage. This drink is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help improve your erectile function. For best results, drink this mixture once a day, preferably in the morning or before engaging in sexual activity. Remember, while this drink can help, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and managing stress are also crucial for optimal sexual health. Conclusion. And there you have it, a simple, natural drink that can help boost your erection using just 3 powerful ingredients. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts or any other natural remedies you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe to Pure Health and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.